MG revealed lately its version of electric cars, the Cyberster F concept, with an advanced design and a revolutionary look which takes MG on the same range than the most iconic models of 2021. The design was made in China by SANC Design Department and of course developed by MG itself at the MG Advanced Design Center in London. The car is featuring a Roadster silhouette with only 2 seats and can make 0 to 62 miles per hour in sub 3 seconds only. Impressive, isn't it? With its range of 500 miles you can forget about lineups at the gas station. But with the salary I make, for sure I'll be able to buy it at the end of this century. I guess I'm going to forget about the idea of changing my bicycle for the moment. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the like button below, so you can use your time in a better purpose.